easy. And it's just nothing. You can see it. It's nothing. It pops right out, and then we're just gonna clean it. I don't even think I'm gonna put any stuff on it, but this stuff is a sealer, the red. Normally it is, so we're actually in good shape. So we're gonna hit it with that. If you want, you can grab a hammer, and then we'll get, because I don't want to damage a good socket.
Do you want to put any lube on it? Or
yeah, not here. I want it dry. In here, we
yeah.
will. So this is the back. This is the front. Faces us. So it goes here. And I already fit it on here. Like if you would take that. So this is hard to go in because it's backwards. Actually, I had it right. This one goes. You could feel it. It's like,
and it seals.
See a squeegee, the oil?
Yeah. Well, that's what we want.
This is real easy. I mean, this still squeegees, but you could feel it in your hand. It's really loose.
That's why I was leaking.
I hope. So we'll just. I think that's my home. There it goes.
Yeah, that's it.
There you go. Is that mom? Yeah, it's mom. What did Grandma say? Anything or no? I guess she's going out with them.
She was.
Come off.
So we got the forks put in. You have to move it with the spring, and then you allow the little shaft of the fork to fall in the notches in the middle here, in the middle there. And you go about reinstalling the side cover.